So by using the flashlight, I can see the connector for the left side signal light bulb. The left side is much easier than the right side. This is another view of the connector. If we pull on it, bring it out, and see this is the bulb that need to be changed if it's not working. This is the left side. Again, left side is much easier than the right side in 2008 Honda Odyssey. It's hard to reach it on the right side because of the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, and also because of the brake fluid reservoir. It is actually, by using the flashlight, it is actually there, if you can see it, guys, in the bottom of the picture. And I'll go to try to hold it. Yeah, I'm holding it actually now. It's hard to show you, but I'm twisting it now, and I'll bring it to the video. Yeah, I twisted, and it's here. That's the one that's not working in my car. I bought the long life bulb for the turn signal. They usually sell 2 in the box. It is very important to wear gloves when you change the light bulbs, because touching the light bulbs with the hand will shorten the life of the bulb because of the skin oil that might touch the bulb. We are going to replace the bulb. Let's take the old bulb back. To remove the old bulb, just you pull on it, and then we're gonna put the new bulb. Again, it's very important to wear gloves when you change the bulb. So just push it, and then we're gonna put it back in the position.